If you're looking for a great MacBook Pro docking station that could support dual monitors, you're absolutely going to love this. I'll show you what it looks like in a second. It's a USB-C stand dock with dual 4K display. You have everything you need. So this is exactly what it looks like right over here. This piece comes separate. You just pop this in and you're good to go. This is what the displays look like back here. You'll see you have your HDMIs over here. You got that, and we also have this right here. We got a little spot for the headphones over here, and we flip around over here. We got room for the SD card and some 10 gigabytes over here, which is really, really nice. So what we're gonna do here, simply, I have a MacBook Air. I took this off so you could see. So literally you're just gonna put it on just like that. Super, super simple. And then this wire right over here, you'll see it has the dual right over here. You're just gonna pop that in just like that. Plug in your monitors back here, and then this is going to sit down and you could have the full display. And you can just tuck this into the side if you want, so it helps you save a lot of space. So if you're looking for a great dual monitor display for an Apple, definitely check this out, and a huge thank you to the brand for sending this over so I could do this review.